Hey guys, welcome to the DIY shop. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this DeWalt glue gun. And this one you can pick up at many places, Amazon, Home Depot. You know, I don't think they have it at the local store, Home Depot. You have to get it online. At least I didn't see it at my local Home Depot. I had an old one. Oh God, it's so old. It's one of those Aero brands. I ended up getting one at Home Depot, another Aero, brand new, was $19. I used it 3 minutes. It started, you know, glue started coming out of the sides and things like that, so I returned it. So I saw DeWalt had one, and I love DeWalt. You know, I have a lot of the stuff, the drills, you know, all the battery stuff, you know, portable tools, you know, the bench saws and all that good stuff. So I said, hey, you know, let me give it a try. Let's see how, you know, good or bad it is. It had some good reviews, so I said, you know what, let's give it a try. What's worst that could happen, you know? We'll return it, so here we go. Let's try this. All right, so I do use it a lot. So this particular one here is the DWHT GR50. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll post it on the bottom of the site. And it says it, you know, heats up 50% faster, and it's got more power. So let's find out if it's true. My old one took forever to get warm, and you know, you could only use small little projects, and you know, it got to a point where, you know, when I did the LEDs for this, and you know, put LEDs all the way around it, it actually took a while to get it done. So as you put the new glue sticks in, it would you know, I guess all the heat that was concentrated on the glue stick, you know, as soon as the, you know, the glue would run out, little by little, it would just like take too long to heat up the other sections of the glue. So you have to wait, let it sit there for a little bit, and I'll show you the gun now. Let me get this one started and see where it goes. I'm gonna put a timer on it and see how fast the glue comes out. It does feel sturdy, it feels nice and heavy. My other one was like so light all the time, it kept on flipping when, you know, it had the little feet. So the one thing that I noticed that the Aero had that this one doesn't have, it's a little flapper at the bottom, so when you put it, you don't get the glue on the surface, you know, of your workbench or anything like that. So that's why I put a little napkin here. But that they definitely, like, you know, put the little, it's kind of gooey rubber, so it doesn't slip. Very, very nice. I like that. You know, the trigger feels pretty good. And like I said, I love DeWalt. So let's see, you know, so let's see how it works. Let me get a glue stick. Be right back. So I ended up getting the Aero. You know, I think it's a pack of 10 or so. Very, very good. These actually are better. I had some older ones that I've been using years ago, and these get really hard really fast. So I do like, you could also pick these up at Home Depot. This is the SS3M from Aero. I think they have smaller packs, but you know, this should last me a while. I also did my my mailbox with LEDs. Check out my other video with that. I went crazy and I put LEDs under the mailbox. It looks absolutely amazing. All the neighbors are like, you know, how'd you do it? Where'd you get it? You know, and you know, they're all like, you know, always constantly telling me that I need to get a job. So, all right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue stick on this thing here. Put the camera down here. I think, make sure that, there we go. So I'm gonna put the timer on it. All right, fits nice. Ooh, nice, perfect. I like the power cord. It's semi-soft, so it's not too, you know, too hard. It'll knock down the gun. So, all right, let's see here. we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and start. See how long it takes. I know I have another one that has a setting, like 2 settings, high and low. But I kind of like this one better for some reason. So let's see. Oh, this thing feels so good. I like the way it feels. All right. Let's check out the old gun. You're probably gonna laugh at me, but this guy, I've had this, I don't know, good probably 15 years or so. This little guy, I mean, you know, it's like always falling to the side. This thing doesn't lock very good there. You know what I mean? It's old. So, and it takes a while, but I'm gonna keep it because sometimes my wife likes to take it to work, so I'm not gonna give her my new one. And I'll give her this one, and you never know. If I need to do any disc brakes, or I'll just store it in the attic, and we'll go from there. Let's see. Let's see if it's. Oh, look at that! Holy crap! That's 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh my God, that is amazing. This one mine used to take like 5-6 minutes, and it feels a little bit more sturdy. You could probably even open up the little feet more if you wanted to make it even more, but it's still not bad, you know, like not bad at all. And it's already pumping some juice. Look at that. Oh wow, this is absolutely awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I like that. If you look at mine, my old one, you have a lot of section here that you could get burnt, which has happened a couple times. You know, you grab it by mistake, it gets burnt, you know. So this way you concentrate the heat towards the tip. And this you could probably, let me see, it's fine, you could touch it. It's hot, but it's not like, oh, I'm gonna burn you hot. So, oh, there goes more. Oh my God, this is thing I'm in love. This feels great. I'm gonna use it, pour it, perfect. I love it. Guys, 100%, 100%. You know when you could work with the tool the first time and you feel that it's gonna be one of those tools, forever tools, it just feels good, you know, the way you grip it, it just feels great. It really does. See, the barrel is not that hot. I mean, it's just, I could touch it. This is a little hot right here, but look, I could hold on to it. So if, you know, if you're around kids and they grab it, you know how kids are, they grab it by mistake. You know, see, it's perfectly isolated. Very, very nice. And sweet, 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 sweet. All right. So 2 thumbs up on the DeWalt 70 watts. So this one is DWHT GR50 50. So if you want one, get it. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. Let's see if look at that, the whole stick is just like it's going. All right, no need. 1 minute 20 seconds, it was ready to rock and roll. My other one just took literally 5 to 6 minutes before you could even press it, and you know, you still had to fight with it very hard. So definitely a must to have in your tools. And if you love DeWalt, you know, it's great. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any concerns, any advice, let me know. You know, hit the like button. Take a look at the other videos that I have, things around the house. I got more stuff coming. You know, I got the full rehab in the garage. I have the hybrid water heater. If you're thinking about buying a water heater, it's a fantastic piece. You know, a bunch of other stuff. You know, I got Craftsman tools. I redid this whole thing. You know, put some LEDs under the toolboxes. I mean, I got other videos you could watch. So stay tuned, subscribe. It helps out the channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you for your time.